Hey guys, how's it going? Nate here, welcome to the tool shed. Today I have a quick review for you of the General MM9 pinned and pinless moisture meter or moisture detector. So this is a great tool if you're trying to find out whether or not you've got mold in your house or that you have areas that have the potential for mold, like in your attic or your crawl space or whatever the case may be. This is a great way to detect that. So let's go over all the features real quick and what this has on it. So this is the battery case cover right here. It takes one 9-volt battery. Got 3 buttons here. You've got a dry to wet indicator, moisture indicator here with beeping. You'll see that in a minute. You got your display here, and then up top, if you push that black button, you've got your pins right here, and then you've got a calibration button right there if you need to calibrate your meter. So we'll close that. Here's how you work it. So you're going to push that button, and right off the bat you have REL, or relative humidity, and you've got 4 different settings. You got drywall, cement board, softwood, and hardwood. And how this works is it's just going to use this little pad to find areas where there might be humidity. And so I've grabbed this board from outside. It's been soaking up the moisture for quite a while, so it's nice and wet. So I'm going to hold this. I'm going to go to the softwood. I'm going to hold this near it, and sure enough, it's going to start picking up the fact that this is a wet board. And so you don't have to get right next to it. It starts picking it up a little bit ways away. So this is great for getting to areas if you want to pinpoint where the moisture's at. So you can find them first, and then what you'll do with that, it doesn't tell you a number here. What you can do then is you're going to open up this top cap. As soon as you do, you're going to expose those pins, and then you're going to get a different heads-up display. It has wood or building materials, 2 options. And then what you can do is you're going to find whatever wet wood you want to test. Then you're going to actually press those pins into the wood, and this is going to measure the moisture content after a couple seconds. So there we go. So very wet wood, 25% humidity. That's way too high, obviously. And so now we know that. And I hit the hold button here. What that does is that just stops the measurement wherever you want it to, so you can keep that number so you don't lose it. So we're going to turn that off, and then it's back to normal. So that's how you measure actual percentage humidity. And there's a little chart down here with different ranges that this will do. So once you click that, it goes back to relative. And there you go. That's pretty much all there is to this. Great little tool for measuring humidity in your house or different areas. I don't know exactly how accurate it is. It gives you a number, and I think it probably gives you a pretty good indication if stuff's too wet or not, but like I said, I'm not sure how accurate. It seems to work pretty well though. So that's the General MM9. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.